essence within you now, unknowable, born from the silence.
This is my invitation here in this moment to welcome you home to our sacred temple space.
Holy Father, Divine Mother, make love in your blood. Your essence sings.
I go by Thomas Michael. It has been my experience of consciously incarnating here in this life from what others call another universe.
From the heart of stars, both ancient and innocent.
And through my human life and experience, being deeply devoted to this memory as a song and a frequency.
To the soils of your soul, divine child eternal, and simply human.
Leading me to many extremely powerful experiences, near-death experiences, Kundalini awakenings, deep planetary and cosmic service, and divine union, and much, much more. And then one day the cocoon of the identities, the trauma, the programming, and conditioning alchemically ignited for me to deeply remember and rebirth into an existence outside of all of this, living and embodying an organic living temple of solar plasma light, the pillar of Father God penetrating and deeply uniting into the womb of Mother God within my vessel, to allow the innocence and joy and play to become an instrument of the infinite.
Infinite. You are its instrument. This moment, every moment, this space, a bridge. It's time to remember.
It's here in the sacred space of this channel. You'll find the offerings of Christos-centered, psychic, intuitive, multidimensional guidance, activations and transmissions, music and sound healing that speaks to your soul's codes, bioregenesis, soul retrieval, planetary grid work, and anything and everything that can awaken your creative expression as the highest essence of your innocent divine child, and ceremonies that bring it all home to the body. And I invite you now to drop into your body, to drop into your breath, and with your breath and your intention, breathing into the depths of your innermost heart, connecting to that pure joy and innocence of your divine child, welcoming all of you home to the body where mastery isn't performance, it's presence and play. And this divine child within you, being held by Mother, Father, God so purely, can sing, dream, and dance the highest timelines into being. I welcome you to step across that bridge with me right now. So if you're ready for the revelation of your life as a song of the infinite, returning to the sacred play of being, sing, subscribe, and step into your temple.